Mysterious creatures from the deep sea began emerging onto the beaches, their forms both mesmerizing and terrifying. People gathered, excited and bewildered by these visitors from the abyss, unaware of the ominous signs that followed. As the creatures lingered, the world started to unravel. 2 days later, chaos erupted. Tsunamis crashed into coastal cities. Earthquakes shattered landscapes. Volcanoes spewed fire and ash, plunging the sky into darkness. The oceans roared and the ground trembled, as if nature itself was rebelling. The creatures were not arbiters of wonder but humanity watched helplessly as civilization crumbled. Realizing too late that the deep sea had unleashed an unstoppable apocalypse, the oceans roared and the ground trembled. Mysterious creatures from the deep sea began emerging onto the beaches, their forms both mesmerizing and terrifying. Unaware of the ominous signs that followed, tsunamis crashed into coastal cities. Civilization crumbled,